For the keychain, the steps are very similar, but first we need to remove the protective layer that is on both sides. Check next to the hole, I already pre-cut those layers. Make sure you don't put your fingerprints on the side you apply the design. Flip the design so you see the white part, then rub a few times with the squeegee. Then slowly remove the back layer. Position and align your sticker a couple inches above your keychain and make sure nothing is covering the hole. Apply it and rub a few times with the squeegee or your hand. Then slowly peel the transfer layer away. It's very sticky, so it can be a little hard. You don't want to be too fast because you don't want to rip the design. Try to keep an horizontal angle as much as possible. After removing the transfer layer, if you have any sticky residue on your keychain, you can gently tap the transfer layer to try to remove it. If it's not enough, you can use the alcohol wipes. Last step, if you like it, you can add the tassel. What do you think about your keychain? Now, it's time for project number 3, your bookmark.